Walmart MoneyCard Review 2025. Worth it or lead it? In a world where banking options are everywhere, prepaid cards have carved out a niche for people looking for convenience, simplicity, and control over spending. The Walmart MoneyCard has been a prominent player in the space, often touted as a solution for those who may not want a traditional bank account. But in 2025, with so many alternatives available, is the Walmart MoneyCard truly worth it, or should you leave it behind? Let's dive deep and break it all down. First, what exactly is the Walmart MoneyCard? Simply put, it's a prepaid reloadable card issued by MetaBank and branded by Walmart. It functions much like a debit card, but without the need for a traditional checking account. You load money onto the card, and then you can use it for everyday purchases wherever Visa or MasterCard is accepted, depending on the version of the card you have. For many people, this offers a sense of financial control since you can only spend what's loaded. There's no risk of overdraft fees like with a traditional checking account. Getting started with a Walmart MoneyCard is relatively straightforward. You can apply online or pick up a card in a Walmart store. Activation takes just a few minutes, and you can start using the card immediately after loading funds. The loading process is flexible. You can add cash at Walmart registers, set up direct deposit, or transfer funds from an external bank account. Direct deposit is particularly handy, as it allows your paycheck or government benefits to hit your card directly, often up to 2 days faster than a traditional bank. One of the main appeals of the Walmart MoneyCard is its convenience. Walmart stores are everywhere in the US, making cash reloads easy. The card also includes a mobile app that lets you track spending, check balances, and manage your account. In 2025, the app has improved significantly, offering features like instant alerts, spending insights, and easy transfers to other Walmart MoneyCard users. This can be particularly useful for budgeting, helping you avoid overspending. The Walmart MoneyCard offers some additional perks. For example, the card supports cash back on certain purchases, bill pay options, and even early access to paychecks with direct deposit. Some versions of the card allow you to earn cash back on Walmart purchases, making it slightly more rewarding than a basic prepaid card. For families or individuals trying to manage expenses without a traditional bank, these features can be attractive. However, there are costs and limitations to consider. The Walmart MoneyCard charges a monthly fee, which in 2025 is typically around $5.94 unless you meet certain conditions like direct deposit. Each cash reload also comes with a fee if done at Walmart or other locations outside your bank. Additionally, ATM withdrawals may have fees depending on where you access cash. While these fees are generally lower than payday loans or check cashing services, they add up if you rely heavily on the card. Pending protections are another important aspect. Unlike a traditional bank account, prepaid cards like the Walmart MoneyCard may not offer the same level of FDIC insurance for funds not held in a linked bank account. However, MetaBank is FDIC insured, which means the funds on the card are protected up to standard limits. It's worth noting that if your card is lost or stolen, you do have zero liability protection, so unauthorized transactions are covered. Let's discuss who the Walmart MoneyCard is best suited for. For individuals without access to a traditional bank account, it offers a safe and manageable way to handle money electronically. If you're someone who struggles with overdraft fees or wants to control spending, a prepaid card can act as a budgeting tool. Families may also find it useful for teen spending or splitting allowances, as the card can be loaded in controlled amounts. However, for individuals looking to maximize rewards, build credit, or access traditional banking features like loans or interest-bearing accounts, the Walmart MoneyCard may not be the best fit. Its cashback rewards are limited, and there is no credit-building benefit since it is not a credit card. Moreover, high-volume users who frequently need ATM access or reload cash could find fees add up quickly, making a traditional bank account with no monthly fees potentially more cost-effective in the long run. Let's look at some real-world examples. Imagine Sarah, a part-time worker who receives irregular paychecks and doesn't have a checking account. The Walmart MoneyCard allows her to receive her pay via direct deposit, make purchases online, and withdraw cash when necessary. The prepaid nature keeps her from overdrawing, giving her peace of mind. For Sarah, the convenience and control outweigh the monthly fees, especially since she avoids expensive alternative services like check cashing stores. On the other hand, consider Mike, a frequent shopper who also enjoys traveling. He spends significant amounts on groceries, gas, and online shopping. While the Walmart MoneyCard covers basic spending needs, Mike misses out on higher rewards that a traditional cashback or travel rewards credit card could provide. Additionally, ATM fees while traveling abroad would increase his costs. In his case, using the Walmart Money Card for basic budgeting alongside a rewards credit card might be a better strategy. In 2025, Walmart has also integrated additional digital features into the Money Card ecosystem. You can link the card to digital wallets like Apple Pay or Google Pay, enabling contactless payments. Bill Pay functionality allows you to schedule recurring payments directly from the card, making it possible to manage monthly utilities or subscriptions without a bank account. This integration brings the card closer to the functionality of a traditional checking account, while still maintaining the controlled spending structure that many users appreciate. One area where the Walmart Money Card stands out is security. Prepaid cards generally reduce the risk of fraud exposure because they are not linked to a broader bank account. If your card is compromised, your loss is limited to the funds on that card. The mobile app adds another layer of security with instant alerts and the ability to freeze or replace the card immediately if it is lost or stolen. For users who prioritize security and control, this is a significant advantage. Let's review the pros and cons for clarity. Pros: easy to obtain. No credit check required, direct deposit available, including early access to Paychex prepaid structure, helps with budgeting and avoiding overdrafts. Mobile app for monitoring spending and managing funds. Access to cash back on select purchases. Employee or family card options. Security features including zero liability protection. Cons: monthly fees unless conditions are met. ATM and reload fees can add up. Limited cash back rewards compared to credit cards. Not suitable for credit building or earning high rewards. Foreign transactions may incur fees. So, is the Walmart Money Card worth it in 2025? For individuals or families seeking a straightforward, controlled way to manage money without the complexity or requirements of a traditional bank, the Walmart Money Card is a solid choice. Its convenience, mobile integration, and basic rewards make it appealing for those looking to budget or manage irregular income. It is particularly effective for individuals who want to avoid overdraft fees and maintain a simple financial system. However, for people who are seeking to maximize rewards, build credit, or frequently require international transactions and high ATM usage, alternative options may offer better long-term value. Pairing the Walmart Money Card with a traditional bank account or rewards credit card could provide the best of both worlds: controlled spending with enhanced financial benefits. In conclusion, the Walmart Money Card in 2025 continues to serve its niche effectively. It's a user-friendly prepaid card with digital convenience, direct deposit, and basic cashback rewards. Its simplicity and security make it an attractive choice for those new to financial tools or looking to simplify money management. But like any financial product, it's important to weigh the fees, limitations, and your personal spending habits before deciding. If convenience, budgeting, and financial control are your priorities, the Walmart Money Card is worth considering. If maximizing rewards or building credit is more important, you may want to explore alternative banking solutions.